In recent times, it has become clear that a big portion of Americans are struggling with their finances. The effects of the ongoing economic changes, rising prices, and spending habits have all joined forces to create a phenomenon where it's becoming increasingly difficult for individuals and families to make ends meet. Today at Finance Spur, we'll dive deeper into the factors that made this financial crunch, examine its effects on the economy, and explore practical steps that you can take to improve your financial stability. But for more amazing videos about finance, technology, and business, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. The rising cost of living shows a lot of challenge that affects nearly every aspect of American life. Perhaps one of the most visible effects is the surge in prices within the automotive industry. The average American now faces record-high monthly car payments, with new and used cars costing more than they did just a few years ago. Now, this places a huge burden on individuals and families, especially when coupled with the rising housing costs. Now, whether it's renting or purchasing a home, these expenses have risen hugely, making it increasingly challenging for many Americans to find affordable housing options. In addition to the housing and transportation business, the cost of food has also experienced a sharp rise, creating concerns about food shortages. Pricing for various products, including basic staples like eggs and margarine, have reached record highs. And the impact of rising prices extends to the travel and leisure industries, with gasoline, airline fares, and hotel accommodations becoming more expensive. Now, as these costs continue to climb, the financial strain on households become more noticeable, emphasizing the urgent need for individuals to rethink their spending habits and seek ways to cut costs and save money. Now, while expenses are climbing at a rapid rate, wage growth is barely keeping up with the increasing cost of living. The vast majority of Americans have seen only modest increases in their income over the past few years. This is especially concerning for those in the lower income brackets, where the impact of rising prices is mostly felt. But many individuals are not making as much money as they believe, given the surging costs in their everyday expenses. The situation is further worsened by rising interest rates, particularly in the context of financing. The federal funds rate has hugely increased, making financing more expensive. This leads to a cycle in which people are more likely to resort to financing their purchases, ultimately spending their available funds even more. This increase in interest rates is affecting people's ability to manage their finances effectively, making it difficult for hardworking Americans to save more for themselves. Another factor contributing to the financial crunch is the quick increase in the US money supply. In just a matter of 3 years, the money supply saw a 40% increase. Now, this may sound good, right? More money means more for everybody. But, I hate to break it to you, but more money printed on the market means more inflation, leading to the rise in prices. To further explain it, when more money is injected into the economy, whether through government stimulus measures, central bank policies, or other factors, it leads to an excess of money in circulation. Now, as the supply of money outpaces the supply of goods and services, the value of each unit of currency declines, causing prices to rise. In other words, too much money chasing too few goods results in inflation. This increase in prices slowly destroys the purchasing power of money, forcing consumers to spend more for the same goods and services, which can strain household budgets and lead to an overall increase in the cost of living. This is currently what's happening in Lebanon and Venezuela. Now, one of the factors we need to consider is the decreasing personal savings rate. Now, despite the excess savings that Americans gathered during the pandemic, consumers are spending the majority of their discretionary income. This is an unpredictable situation, as estimates suggest that many will have little to no savings left by the end of the year. Now, the main question is, will the Americans run out of money? This is a very complex question. Different studies and reports provide varying perspectives on the issue. Some financial institutions suggest that households still have a huge amount of excess savings, while others predict that the savings will be depleted sooner rather than later. The truth is that it's challenging to pinpoint an exact time frame. Factors such as individual financial habits, income levels, and the broader economic landscape play an important role in predicting when these savings will run out. But with the financial challenges looming large, the importance of saving money cannot be overstated. Individuals need to be proactive in finding ways to cut costs and increase their savings. To limit the impact of rising prices and ensure financial stability, it's essential to take practical steps to save money. While the economic situation may seem grim, there are ways for individuals to regain control over their financial well-being. Now, here are the steps that individuals could take to limit the damage of the financial crunch. When it comes to housing, individuals can explore options like renting out unused spaces or negotiating lease terms for cost savings. Transport choices also matter, with cost-effective, reliable vehicles often outshining the depreciation linked to brand new cars. A change in dining habits also is a good step. Favoring homemade meals over excessive dining outside can significantly reduce food expenses. Additionally, seeking better deals and lower premiums in the business of personal insurance and cutting back on discretionary spending such as alcohol, clothing, and entertainment can contribute to improved financial well-being. These practical measures empower individuals to take control of their finances and enhance their financial security. In conclusion, the financial challenges facing Americans are very complex. Rising prices, stagnant wage growth, and changing economic conditions are contributing to a situation where individuals and families are running out of money. The impact of the pandemic savings is also huge, and how long it will last remains uncertain. However, it is within the power of individuals to take control of their finances and limit the impact of these challenges by making conscious decisions to save more and spend wisely. As the financial landscape evolves, being proactive in managing one's finances becomes more crucial than ever. Now, we mentioned Lebanon and Venezuela earlier, right? If you want to know more about the financial problems these countries are facing and how the dollar became a de facto currency in those countries, check out our video about dollarization. But for more amazing videos about finance, technology, and business, don't forget to check out our channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that notify bell for upcoming videos. For now, this is Finance Spur. Have a great day.